Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we'll make these very beautiful and cute booties for newborn babies. This is in continuation of my earlier video which was made for baby sweater for newborn babies. These booties will be starting from the bottom, then we'll go upwards. A very simple design we have chosen for the baby set. Now let's start. The brand wool I have taken Vardhman Baby Soft. Crochet is of 3 mm. First we'll make a slip knot. Then we'll make 12 chains. 10 chains we'll use for the mid part and 1 chain we'll use for front and back. So total we require 12 chains for newborn babies. 12 chains will make, so 1 plus 10 plus 1, so total 12 chains first we'll make. Twelve chains are required for the base. So for first round we should make 3 chains for starting. Now we'll make 4 double crochets in the fourth chain, skipping the first 3 chains. In the fourth chain we'll make total 4 double crochets, so total there will be 5 double crochets. In the first chain, out of 12 chains, in the first chain we made 4 double crochets. See, we have made 5 double crochets. Now 10 double crochets will make 1 double crochet in each chain. 10 double crochets will make after cluster of 5 double crochets. In the first chain we made 5 double crochets, and in the first chain we'll also make 5 double crochets. Let us complete 10 double crochets for the mid. Total 10 double crochets we have made. Now in the last chain we'll make 5 double crochets as we made in the first chain. 5 double crochets. We'll make 5 double crochets in this chain also. 5 double crochets we have made. Now we'll make 10 double crochets. Now in the corners we have 5 double crochets. We'll simply double these double crochets. So we'll make 2 double crochets in each stitch. So in the corner we'll have 10 double crochets after this round. Make 2 double crochets in each chain. 5 times we'll make. Now in the central 10 double crochets we'll make as usual. 10 double crochets, and in the side also we'll simply double these stitches by making 2 double crochets in one stitch. Two double crochets we'll make in every stitch. So in this corner also we'll have 10 double crochets after this round. Now again 10 double crochets, 1 double crochet in each chain, and in that way let's complete that round. Our second round is complete. In two rounds we have increased stitches at the corners, but uh, in third round we will not increase any stitch anywhere. We will simply make one double crochet in each chain. Let's make slip stitch and complete this round. Now in the fourth round we'll decrease stitches in one corner only, and in second corner we'll not touch. We'll make one double crochet out of every two double crochets. We'll make two incomplete double crochets and complete as one. So after this round we'll have 5 double crochets at the corner. We still have 10 double crochets, and when we half, then there will be 5 double crochets. Now as I said, we'll decrease in one corner and we'll not touch the other, so we'll make one double crochet in rest of the stitches as usual. As we make, simply we make one double crochet in each chain. Now in the fifth round, we'll simply half the crochets again. We'll make two incomplete double crochets and club them as one. We'll do this 3 times. On rest of the stitches, we'll make 1 double crochet. Now it's the sixth round. We'll attach with the help of slip stitch. Then again we'll make 2 incomplete double crochet and we'll club together. This will do it for 2 times. In 6th round we'll do 2 times. We'll make 1 double crochet in rest of the stitches. Total 6 rounds we have made. Now here we'll start our design. We'll place the design of the baby set. We'll make 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 1 double crochet, and we'll skip 3 chains, 3 stitches we'll skip. Then again we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. Following this pattern we'll complete this round. Now from this round onwards we'll not increase any stitch anywhere. Now it is the second round of design. In this design, second round, we'll make 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochets after. We'll make in every pocket. Now in the last round we'll make one double crochet on every stitch. We'll not make any double crochet on the chain. We'll make on every double crochet. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. But please don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. Our both booties are ready for newborn baby. We'll make end with the help of slip stitch. We'll make one chain more and detach the thread. Now we need a dory to place in the booties. So first we'll make 4 chains and then we'll make 4 double crochet in the first chain. 4 double crochets, all 4 double crochets in the first chain we will make. Four double crochets we have made. Now after making 3 chains we will attach in the first chain with the help of slip stitch. This will work for a small pom-pom. Now we'll make 50 chains. 50 chains we have made. Now we'll make same pom-pom at the end. So we'll make 3 more chains and we'll make 4 double crochets in the fourth chain. Skipping first 3 chains, we'll make 4 double crochets. So total we'll have 5 double crochets. We'll take the extra threads neatly. So now we'll place this dory through the booties. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.